Welcome to today's Business Report. I'm Denise Williams, bringing you the developments shaping markets, capital access, and business decision-making across Jamaica and the region. Let's get into the stories that matter. Economic analysts shared a warning that last week's $12.50 increase in automotive diesel prices, together with the upcoming increase in toll rates, is likely to drive transportation costs even higher. Speaking to RJR News, they say the higher costs could add further pressure to inflation, which increased 0.8% in June compared with May, while the 12-month inflation rate rose 6.7%, exceeding the Bank of Jamaica's target rate of 4 to 6%. According to the Statistical Institute of Jamaica, the rise in June inflation was driven mainly by a 4.3% increase in the transport index over the 12 months to June. The transport index climbed 7.3%. According to the latest business and consumer confidence indices, business confidence is up by 2.3% according to the survey involving 116 firms. Presenting the data Tuesday morning, Don Anderson, chairman of Market Research Services Limited, said even though there has been an increase in business confidence in the second quarter, business confidence is still lagging behind 2025 and beyond. I quote, "But that's the pattern over the years. Businesses aren't as erratic as consumers, for want of a better word," he said, adding that, and I quote, "there is a jagged edge to each of the years, but not another peak that you saw consumers responding to political pressure, political promises, etc." End quote. That said, consumer confidence has fallen by 2.3%. Anderson pointed to increases in the cost of living and consumers having a less positive view of business condition as being among the reasons for the drop. I quote, "Fewer and fewer persons are considering that the current business conditions are good," he noted. For the trading period of July 21, 2026, the most actively traded securities were Trans-Jamaican Highway Limited with 7,197,608 units, representing 27.62% of market sales. Lasco Financial Services Limited with 1,927,207 units, representing 7.39% of market sales. Trans-Jamaica Highway Limited US dollar shares with 1,530,641 units, representing 5.87% of market sales. Investor activity remained concentrated in transportation, finance, and distribution plays, signaling continued interest in dividend-producing and strategic assets. Turning to the foreign exchange market based on Bank of Jamaica data for July 21, 2026. Forex traders recorded significant activity with strong demand across major currencies. For the US dollar, trading margins reflected steady liquidity, with the US selling at $159.63 and buying at $157.49. For the Canadian dollar, moderate gains supported by 49-cent transaction spreads. The Canadian dollar sold for $113.40 and was bought for $112.91. For the British pound, continued volatility offered short-term trading opportunities of 63 cents in profits for the banks. The British pound sold for $212.61 and was bought for $211.98. These movements underscore the importance of cash flow timing and currency awareness for businesses managing import costs, debt servicing, or overseas exposure. For our credit report tip of the day, many people believe real estate wealth begins with finding the perfect property. In reality, it often begins with earning a lender's confidence. Your credit report is one of the first documents a lender reviews. It reflects your financial habits, influences how much you can borrow, and affects the cost of financing. The stronger your credit profile, the greater your ability to seize opportunities when they arise. If expanding your real estate portfolio is one of your goals, don't wait until you're ready to apply for a mortgage. Make reviewing and improving your credit report part of your investment strategy. Strong credit doesn't just help you buy property, it helps you build a portfolio. In our funded and focused feature, the most resourceful entrepreneurs don't ask, who will lend me money? They ask, what assets do I already have? Business financing is often in hiding in plain sight. It may be retained earnings that can be invested strategically, the cash value of a permanent life insurance policy, or strong customer relationships that support pre-orders or retainers, supplier credit, unpaid invoices, a loyal crowdfunding community, or partnerships that can bring both capital and expertise. The goal isn't simply to borrow more, it's to become more resourceful with the assets, relationships, and opportunities already within your reach. The strongest businesses don't depend on a single source of capital. They build multiple pathways to fund growth. And that's today's Business Report. I'm Denise Williams, bringing clarity to capital, markets, and strategy. Until next time, stay informed, stay intentional, and keep building forward. See you soon.